We see right now a corrective wave for Bitcoin to the downside. And of course, you guys want to know how low can we go here? Which are the next price levels where we can potentially long Bitcoin from? And how low will we actually go here in this move to the downside? That is something that we have to talk about today. So definitely stick around here. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also activate the bell so that you will never miss out on these really important updates. And now let's directly get into it. So here on the 4-hourly chart, we see we have here a topping formation on as a candlestick pattern. So that is a spinning top, and from the spinning top we see now this massive move here, or not massive but small move to the downside for Bitcoin. But I believe that this drop will stop soon. Let's say, yeah, close to 28k. I think that's where we're going to stop, around here, that level. And just let me make this also white. So I think that's where we're going to stop, and I'm sure when I look on the BPVR that will be in alignment with that. I haven't looked yet, so I do it with you guys. Yeah, you see. So here 28, there is now right now big support here in this whole area. And you look at it. So here in this whole area, so there is massive support from these two bars here, from the VPVR, from the visible range, and that should give us enough support to see a bounce here. So if we fall here under $27,300 and we fall lower, let's say even to 26,900, then we're gonna drop all the way to $25,000. But I don't see this happening. I see this in the next let's say 8 to 12 hours turning around, when we hit maybe 28, maybe 27,700, that kind of range. And there we can look for new long positions to the upside. So shorting Bitcoin makes no sense at all right now, in my opinion, because we would just not go so much lower than where we are right now. So the risk to reward is just not worth it to try to scoop up here a couple of dollars. I rather would look for some long entries around these areas. Even though the stochastic RSI is pointing to the downside on the 4-hourly, I believe that 28 is going to hold here. So when we go, however, to the daily chart, there are things looking really different. We have here a buy signal coming in on the stochastic RSI, and also on the normal RSI, we might see soon a break of that bearish divergence. I don't believe that we see here anytime soon something like this to confirm the bearish divergence. I just don't think that this is going to happen. I believe rather by tomorrow we finally gonna see a the nice next push here for Bitcoin to $29,000-$30,000. That could literally be happening tomorrow from what I see here in the charts. So here this has to move on. So, and then when we go here to the 1-hourly chart, also here we are bottoming out on a stochastic RSI. Here on the MACD we could still see some more downwards momentum before we finally move here back up, but the candle just opened. It's just 20 minutes in, so this can easily bounce back to the upside to, let's say, 28,300, and then go sideways because of the 4-hourly chart, and then we see here this leg to the upside. So I'm definitely looking here for a new long entry between 28, let it be where it is right now, 28,200, 27,800, in that region. I'm looking for a new long position right now. I'm not in a Bitcoin long position right now, but I'm definitely looking at it and watching this closely. So also here, the 4-hourly chart here in that range has really not much changed. Only our pattern from yesterday that I had shown you has not completely played out, because we got stopped from this range resistance line and could not move higher. If we would have broken this, then we would have definitely went to over $29,400. So this pattern, it is not completely invalidated yet. So, but if we break $28,100 and close a 4-hourly candle beneath that level here, then this whole W pattern is validated, and we might see potentially some lower prices here, like I said, to like $25,000, but it's not what I'm looking at right now. So if you want to trade with me, guys, of course, you should not forget, on BYBIT you still get $30,000 for free, especially also when you copy trade me, but only with this specific link here you can do that. So make sure that you use that link when you want to use my copy trades on BYBIT. And of course, we are killing it every single time when we make a trade on BYBIT. So now let's have a quick look here on the total 2, because that had increased today. You see, we got here a breakout. We got a we got a break above our resistance level, so we're getting closer and closer there. So we're gonna see the break here anytime soon, like I said, potentially tomorrow. But for now we got rejected from there, but I don't think that we see here a lot of bouncy happening in that range. I really believe that by tomorrow we see a break out of it, a retest, and then we go up, and it's altcoin season, guys. That's what I believe is going to happen. Guys, that was a really quick update. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.